hope, there is tomorrow. If there is space, there is love.
Good evening to each and everyone. I am Christopher Rampier, 20 years old, representing kami yan.
Juta.
Kari ng Karagatan.
My name is Christine Joy Bernate. I'm 19 years old. I believe the saying that live your life to the fullest.
Good evening, everybody. I'm William Patatan. I'm 21 years old. I believe the saying, I'm not a fool to be fooled by a fool.
Kami ang Diyosa
At hari
ng Hardin.